We present you Smart Builder Gel of Legacy Nails. It's a combination of acrylic and odorless gel used for nail extensions and creating structures on the natural nail. It is suitable for both tip overlays and extreme nail structures. It provides excellent color coverage and has medium viscosity. For better control and flexibility during application, it can be used with Smart Slip solution. After curing under a lamp, it can be filed, and decoration is optional. This product is trusted by thousands and thousands of nail manicurists in over 25 countries in America and Europe.